In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to integrate Salesforce with FlashRev. So you click this icon and go to settings. Then in system settings, you see CRM integration. So you click on it. Then you see the Salesforce and you click connect. Here, you put your Salesforce login information and you log in. Sorry, this is in Japanese, but if you use English as a default language, for sure the English will come up. Okay, now it's integrated with FlashRev successfully. If you see this manage text here, meaning it's successfully connected. So if you click manage, you can choose, which contact info you want to connect with FlashRev, and you can also choose push settings for each channel, as well as data mapping here. You can choose different objects, and you can map out the FlashRev field and Salesforce field as you wish. This is all you need to know about the Salesforce integration. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.